Yo, what's up everybody? Happy Wednesday to you. I was in here digging around in my electrical room and I came across a Milwaukee versatile socket anti-roll wrench set. 106 pieces. Brand new, still in the box. It goes to one of those pack out things like with the vacuums on. Let me show you this thing. It's pretty cool. It is brand new. Still in the box. It was actually sitting in the corner down there. I don't even know how much one of these goes for. I've never actually seen one of these. Trying to do this with one hand. Look, still got a zip tie on it. It's never been opened. What we got here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's what I'm talking about. And it's got some swivels in there too. And this actually hooks on to this. It's the Milwaukee pack out box. That's pretty cool right there. Let's see if we can pop that zip tie off. That ain't gonna work. Ooh, take the first look with me. We're gonna do it together. Oh, it's still in the plastic. Oh. Oh, they're like, oh, it says right here. 4 flat surfaces. Anti-roll. 90 tooth design. Slim profile. Ah, let's see what we got here. Kit includes quarter drive ratchet, quarter drive standard SAE sockets, quarter drive standard metric sockets, 5 through 15, quarter drive deep well standard and metric, 5 through 15, quarter inch 3-inch extension, quarter inch 6-inch extension, quarter inch the U joint, removable long-term storage tray, 3/8 drive ratchet, standard sockets, 1/4 inch through 1 inch, standard metric sockets, 6 mil through 19 mil. Wish I had a 5.5 in there. 3/8 deep well, 1/4 through 7/8, 3/8 metric deep well, 6 through 19. 3-inch extension, 6-inch extension, and universal joint, and the low profile organizer. That's pretty cool. I just happened to see that. Nice. I happened to see that sitting in the corner down there with a bunch of weird other stuff. That's cool. I'll have to put these to the test. So I found more tools. I'm gonna look up the price and see how much one of these is. Maybe you can get it on Amazon. It's Amazon like Prime, early Prime week, something like that. I'm gonna put that through the ringer. You know, I like the rounded or the 4 squared off edges. Those are pretty cool. I bet those will come in handy. Anyway,
I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can get one of these. That's not free, but you can still get one.